So whether you're a young adult, new college student, or you're a new resident in the country, or you're here on an extended visa, have a social security number, whatever the circumstances, but you don't have a credit profile, you don't have a credit score yet, you're looking to get into the credit card game, you're looking to start building your credit out, and you prefer not to start with a secure credit card or one of the credit builder companies, fintech companies that's out there. You want to start with one of the most recognizable credit card brands in the United States. I may have the trick, the strategy you need to get in and do so. We're going to cover it in this video. This is JP from Blueprint for Prosperity. To all my pioneers, welcome back. To all my new viewers, welcome in. We appreciate having you, and we're going to get right into the content. So, as many of you know, if you follow the channel or if you're new to the channel, I am a professional banker and I'm also a financial services professional, all in one. I have colleagues that are in the space, obviously, a couple of which actually work for Chase Bank directly, one of which works as a retail banker. He's pretty high in the echelons in retail banking. He gave me a quick scenario that I thought was fascinating information as to where he was working with a couple clients in two different scenarios, one being a young college student, the other one being a new resident to the United States, but did have a social security number. He explained how he helped them establish their deposit accounts. And in the midst of doing so, in both scenarios, those clients each wanted to apply for a credit card, but they wanted the best odds possible. It's no secret, the Chase Slate and Chase Freedom cards are all the ground level cards for Chase as far as getting in. They're the easiest to get approved for out of Chase's credit cards. So that banker naturally steered them in that direction to give them the best approval odds. In both cases, he landed with those clients on a Chase Freedom student. He submitted the application for them. What he told me is that when the application went in for submission, that he got a response back that it was pending and needed more information. So before the client left out, he called in to that back office, to the underwriting department there to find out if there was any additional information he could provide to help get the application pushed through and get a decision. When discussing the circumstances of the application, he was told by the underwriting on the other end of the phone that due to the clients not having a credit profile, that their best approval odds would be if they had an established deposit account and made at least a $250 deposit into that established new checking account. He was told it's not a guarantee, but there's a highly likelihood that this would be sufficient to get them approved for the card. So he instructed his clients to do so, and in both cases, they were approved. So this is internal data. This is not on any Reddit or internet forum or post or my FICO forum. This is internal information that I have from a direct colleague that works within the institution and actually helps clients on that level, like myself. He told me directly that after working with two separate clients, both of which were younger, one was a United States natural born citizen, the other was a new resident coming to the United States for college. And in both cases, he ended up helping them apply for the Chase Freedom Student Credit Card. And in both cases, he was told by underwriting at that time, and these are recent applications, that if they made a $250 deposit into their checking accounts, that their likelihood for approval was significant. He did so, and in both cases, he said they were approved. This is very important because what this indicates is that Chase is flexing its credit requirement and balancing or offsetting it off with relationship banking. And I'm assuming the Chase Freedom card being such an entry-level card, they feel that 250 or more in deposits is sufficient enough to support, approving an applicant that doesn't have enough additional credit data or background information. So it's very groundbreaking information. I am not a part of Chase's underwriting team, so I cannot guarantee your results. But if you're catching this video anywhere, new to its release or down the line, the likelihood is that if you're going for one of those entry-level cards, specifically from what I've been told, the Chase Freedom student, making a 250 or higher deposit into a new checking account or possibly an existing checking account could make up for not having enough credit on your credit profile or a credit score whatsoever. I thought this was groundbreaking information. I wanted to bring it into you guys, so hopefully more of you can go out and give this a shot. Bring the data points back and drop them in the comments down below. I'm going to finish this video out with you guys actually quickly breezing through the Chase Freedom Student Card's features and benefits, and we'll close it out from there. So to all my pioneers out there, I appreciate you tuning in. Stay locked in. We're going to go over the Chase Freedom Card in a second. And to all my new viewers, hopefully this was valuable for any of you or your family or friends who may fall in this category and want to skip a little bit of that entry-level credit card process and get in with literally one of the best issuers in the United States, that being Chase Bank. So let's dive right into the Chase Freedom. With the Chase Freedom Student, as you can see, it's advertised: build credit, earn rewards. You can get up to a $50 bonus after simply making your first purchase on this card. You also can see there's no annual fee for this card. So as you can see right out of the gate, this is a solid starter card. You can quickly take a look at the $50 bonus offer. You just need to make one purchase within 3 months of account opening. You get a $20 good standing credit worth 2,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points after each account anniversary for the first 5 years. It's good money. You get 1% cash back on all purchases, and it's automatic. So this is a great starter points rewards, like intro to earning rewards on your card. There's no complicated rewards earning structure, just a straight 1% back for all purchases, and no minimum to redeem, and you can redeem at any time at any amount. Here's where it gets really good. For your credit building, not only are you getting in with one of the best issuers in the United States, but they're going to automatically assess you for credit limit increases after making 5 on-time payments within 10 months of account opening when you meet the credit criteria. So please make sure you're making consistent payments and have healthy credit utilization. And of course, a free feature bonus that comes with this is Chase's Credit Journey, which is going to be your Vantage 3.0 experience score. That's going to track your report and give you that score for free. So as you can see, this is a solid card, great features, great benefits, and you can potentially get in on this card with simply opening a new Chase checking account or taking your existing established Chase checking account and making sure you deposit at least $250 in the account at the time of application to get your approval odds higher than they would normally be. So thank y'all for tuning in. Comment down below. Let me know if you have any data points on this or if you tried this out and if it worked for you. And as also, you can support this channel by checking out some links in the description to some other great issuers to get some great welcome bonuses without you having to spend a dime to support the channel. So win-win. You get great welcome bonuses and I get referrals on this channel. So you guys check that out in the description below. Other than that, to all my pioneers out there, I want you to stay focused, stay in motion. I'll see y'all soon. This is JP from Blueprint for Prosperity Network, a channel dedicated to helping you increase your net worth through relationship banking, maximizing your borrowing capacity, the proper use of life insurance, and the ownership of real estate. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm uploading content on a daily basis to help you customize your blueprint for prosperity.